was able to get the Pinkie Pot Barbie today, so let's unbox her. This is the front of the box. This is the back of the box. Pause the video if you want to read it. So here is the doll, and I really don't know what to say because this is probably one of the best things that Mattel has ever made. Here's another close-up of her face. And her hair is styled with gel, so it's very hard. Her nails are painted hot pink, and this is the back of her bag. Here is the front of her bag. She has white and pink swirl tights and hot pink shoes. Here's a close-up of her shoes. And there is a petticoat under her dress. Here's a close-up of her pet yak with a pink bow on it. The face is plastic. And then this is a soft felt. And here is her flower pot. Here are some close-ups of the box. Barbie's hiding in this corner. I carefully opened the back of the box and there was this doll stand and this certificate. This is what the certificate says. Pause if you want to read it. So if you're thinking about getting her, I honestly would. She's a great doll. The quality is great. She reminds me of Katy Perry, who I love. And I just know that if I didn't get her, I would just regret it in the future. And then scalpers are just gonna sell her for triple the price.